Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And I want to show you how to do this faux watercolor wash, really. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using the Love What You Do stamp set. We are going to be using Highland Heather, Mint Macaron, and Memento Black. And we are going to be using one of the Whisper White note cards, okay? So this is a quick and easy one. Now, you know I love to watercolor, but this one has a watercolor wash background in it. It's got a variation in it, and so you really don't have to use the watercolor wash. You can use, there are a few stamp sets we have that in the background, or those types of backgrounds with. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ink this up with Highland Heather. Okay. Now this one you could do on the Stamparatus really fast and easy if you wanted to do a bunch of them. And I'm just going to stamp that in the middle of the okay, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to take my Memento Black, ink up the flowers. Now this card you could, I'm not putting any of the sayings on in the front. You can put the sayings on inside if you want to thank you. I'm your friend, it's a beautiful day, love what you do. And then I'm taking the Mint Macaron and those little tiny flowers, and I'm going to round the outside here. There we go. Now if you wanted, now you just put the saying inside, but let's grab the envelope and let's decorate our envelope a little bit. We're going to use those same little flowers and the Mint Macaron. There you go. Got yourself a nice envelope and a really nice card that you can put anything you'd like on the inside. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need for this is down below. I really would appreciate it if you like my videos, that you shop with me for your Stampin' Up needs. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.